how to harvest crab, and crab meat processing technology. The crab hunting is done with the early rising sun. Crabs are found in almost all marine environments around the world, from the coast to the deep sea floor, and from polar waters to the tropics. Not all crabs live in the sea. In fact, there are about 850 types which live on land or in fresh water, mostly in the tropics, returning and sometimes undertaking long migrations to the sea to breed. They use squared nets to catch the crabs sailing on the heart of the seas. At the end of their hunt, the crabs are categorized with their sizes, quality, and shapes. These workers use several automated pieces of machineries to make this process smoother. These crabs are then put into various baskets. Now, the workers that were waiting in the factory begin to function by washing the crabs to dust off the sea dust and other particles in order to clean the crabs and, as per their category, cut the crabs. The crabs are then put into the steamer to undergo in the steam. Similarly, each batch of crabs that arrives in the factory undergo thorough weighting. Crab meat contains protein that's essential for building and sustaining muscles. Crab meat also has the privilege of high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, and selenium. These nutrients play a pivotal role in improving general health whilst assisting in protecting several chronic conditions. Before going further, I'd request you all to please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications and updates regarding important videos on our YouTube channel. The jumbo of the crab is where the taste lies, and this is what most of the people like to be served with. Therefore, a great quantity of jumbo is separated and packed for those who like it very much. The crabs, before acquiring their jumbos, are sent to the steam section to make them smoother for cutting. The adroit workers are so well equipped with their great piercing skills, and it doesn't take much time to prepare a pack of two types of crab meat, jumbos and lumps. Once the cutting stage is cleared, then some of the meat is packed in fancy packaging, and each package is perfectly weighed on electronic weighing machines. Like all the other videos and factories that were shown on this channel, the crab factory also utilizes modern pieces of machinery to get the most efficiency. Furthermore, these singular packages are placed in cartons and become ready to be sent in the market. The crabs, when reached in the factory, are immediately thrown on the escalator for quicker operations. Meanwhile, they undergo thorough water to get dusted off from sea dust. Similarly, then these crabs are lifted to the workers that cut the lumps and extra parts of the crabs with electric cutters. This process of cleaning normally leaves these crabs whole for crab boils, while for using it for another type of meals, the crabs are cleaned and boiled before. It's super quick and smoother to clean the crabs, and makes little mess in the kitchen with reference to their cleaning. Cleaning crabs also involves the decision for its taste, because applying too much water may deteriorate its taste. This process of cleaning is just as simple as pulling out the back shell by utilizing a hose to spray out the insides. The most preferred equipment for continuing this is to use an oyster knife, but any other similar knife or even a screwdriver will perform the same way as the oyster knife does. Mostly, the workers prefer to cut a crab placing it on a straight cooler ice as soon as they remove them from the trap, or take them out from the squared nets as shown in the video. Preceding it with sending them into cooler water will numb the crabs, making them smoother to clean. Similarly, as long as the workers drain the water, crabs can surely stay on the ice for a great duration of time. Therefore, the workers plug on the cooler, then hold up the other end on an item similar to concrete ones, or even on a rock, so that as with the water that comes through the melting of the ice can easily drain. But they ensure the ice is replenished so that the crabs shouldn't get any chance to warm up. This is how the entire process of crab cleaning is carried out in the factory and makes it ready to be served on their customers' tables.